Hello nursery, today we are going to play a little game. Firstly, I would like you to go and find in your packs the tracing the shapes sheet and another sheet with the farm animals on it, please. Once you have done that, can you please trace over this and this and this and this shape, and once you have done that, can you cut these shapes out, please? And after, please cut out some of the farm animals as well. You can pause the video now and do those tasks. Once you're ready, you can replay the video and we're going to play a game. And welcome back. Look, in front of me, I have 4 shapes. Let's start with this one. What shape is this? What shape is this? What's the name of this shape? It has one side that goes round and round. Yes, it is a circle. My turn. Circle. Your turn. What shape is this? What shape is this? What's the name of this shape? It has 3 sides. Yes, it is a triangle. My turn. Triangle. Your turn. Well done. What shape is this? What shape is this? What's the name of this shape? It has 4 sides and they are all the same length. Yes, it is a square. My turn. Square. Your turn. Excellent. What shape is this? What shape is this? What's the name of this shape? It has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. It is a rectangle. My turn. Rectangle. Your turn. Amazing. Now, here I've got animals that I cut out before. What I'm going to do, I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to choose one of these animals to go on my circle. Oh, actually I choose 2. What's this? Sheep. My turn. Sheep. Your turn. Good. Sheep will go on my circle. I'm going to choose another one that will go on my triangle. Ooh. Pig and have piglets. Your turn. Pig. My turn. Piglets. Your turn. Good. And mommy pig and her piglets will go on my triangle. And another shape. Ooh. A donkey. My turn. Donkey. Your turn. Good. Donkey, you will go on my square. And last one. My rectangle. Oh, meow. What is this animal? It is a cat. Well done. Cat, you are going to stay on my rectangle. Meow. I've got a few more left, but I'm going to save them and play with all the teachers in the nursery. I hope you enjoyed this game. I see you soon. Bye.